Hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you a story about a boy whose name was Sam. Sam was a very good boy, but he had a bad habit. A habit of screaming. Whenever he wanted something, he used to scream a lot. Sam's mother was very worried about this habit. She kept saying, but Sam was not ready to change it. He thought if I'm screaming, I'll get the things in an easy way. So it's okay. I'm a good boy. I do everything which is really good. I listen to mother and I listen to father. I eat healthy. So one bad habit, it is fine. No problem. One day, Sam's uncle, whose name was Madhav, he came to visit them. Sam was really happy and excited to meet his uncle. Madhav uncle had bought lots of chocolates and toys for Sam. Madhav uncle and Sam played together the whole day. Now, when Sam's uncle was leaving, Sam's mother called him and she said that she was really worried because Sam is actually a very good boy, but there's just one bad habit and he is not changing this. He's not understanding that what he's doing is wrong. He shouldn't be screaming every time whenever he wants something. Madhav uncle just gave a smile and said, "You can send Sam tomorrow to my place." Next day morning, Sam was really happy because he thought, once again, today also I would get lots of chocolates and toys. So he went to Madhav's uncle's place. Once he reached there, Madhav uncle told him, "Let's go and play out in the garden." They both went outside. Now, Madhav uncle said, Sam, do you see that small sapling over there? Can you pull that out for me? Sam did not like pulling out the plant, but he thought, okay, since Madhav uncle is saying, I can do it. So he plucked it. It was very easy plucking the sapling. He gave it to Madhav uncle. Now, Madhav uncle said, "Do you see a plant over there? Can you pull out that for me?" Sam again went and pulled out the plant for Madhav uncle. He gave it to him. Now Madhav uncle said, "You pulled out the plant and sapling very easily, so I think you'll be able to pull out the bush as well. Can you pull that for me?" Sam again went and pulled out the bush. Although he was not happy doing all these things, because plucking plants is not good. But since Madhav uncle said, he did it. Now, he again came happily and said, "Madhav uncle, this is the plant you wanted." Madhav uncle said, "Oh, great. You pulled the sapling easily. You pulled the plant easily. And now I see you were able to pull the bush also." Sam said, "Yeah, it was a little bit of effort, but I pulled it." Now he said, "Can you see the small tree over there? Can you pull that out for me?" Sam again went. It took a little more of effort. He tried, and finally the small tree came out. So he went and he gave it to Madhav uncle. Now Madhav uncle said, "Oh, good Sam. It was tough, but you did it. Can you pull out that big tree over there?" And he pointed to a huge big tree. Sam went. He tried pulling it out. He tried, but all in vain. He was not able to pull out the big tree. He came to Madhav uncle with a sad face. "Sorry, uncle. I'm not able to pull out that big tree. I think it is old and strong, so I am not able to pluck it out." Madhav uncle started laughing. He said, "Yes, dear, this is what I wanted to tell you. Bad habits are like these sapling and trees only. If it is new, just like the sapling and the plant, you'll be able to pluck it easily. But if it becomes strong and old like this big tree, you will not be able to forget it. So when it is easily that you can forget it, please pull it out of your life." Sam understood. He said sorry to uncle. I'm really sorry, uncle. Now I understand what mom was trying to tell me. I'll never scream if I want anything. Now, Madhav uncle said, we did a bad thing today by plucking out the plants. So let us ensure now that we put them back. So once again, they started planting all the small trees, plants and saplings. So children, always remember, you are really good. But if you have some bad habits, you can easily get rid of it right now. But once it becomes a habit, just like an old tree, you will not be able to remove it. I hope you enjoyed the story.